everybody, I hope you're having a nice day. So I'm here today to show you my makes for January. I should just say to my left is Jasmine sitting in a little chair on the table because the only time that I could do this was yeah, with Jasmine. Poppy, sorry. We're meant to be having a holiday, but unfortunately Matt couldn't take the last 2 days of this week off. Today's Thursday. So instead me and Jazz are just hanging out, and then we're going to go up to Yorkshire on Saturday and have a few days up there and hopefully take until Wednesday or Thursday off. So yeah. But yes, I don't know why I've told you all of that, but here we are, and fingers crossed. Jasmine's got a rusk at the moment, so hopefully that'll keep her quiet long enough. So I'm gonna go get started straight away before we get interrupted. So my first make is the Ella blouse in this beautiful wool, and I'm wearing it on a pretty cold day today. And just step back, I've got it on with my Decades of Style, my tartan Decades of Style trousers. And I have got a vest underneath it. I think probably I shouldn't wear a white vest, I should have put a dark vest on. Yes. But it's so warm, like I don't feel, even though it's sort of short sleeved, I don't feel like I need to have anything else on. And we haven't got the heating on in the house today actually, so it is extra cold and I feel snuggly and warm in this. This fabric's lovely and it's easy to work with. You would... Yeah, okay Poppet. What's this? What's that? Don't think it's gonna work. No Poppy, it's the madhouse. So yes, so you'd think that this fabric might be difficult to work with, but it's not, or not as difficult as you think it would be. And it's sewed up really nicely. I did overlock the seams, and I tried to kind of match this colour as best as I could, because it is a little bit see-through. I think I got it a little bit dark, but you can't really see, can you? So yeah, I would really recommend it, and I actually have managed to buy in a bit more because it sold out so quickly, and I asked the shop team not to put it online until today so that it didn't sell out again before I'd shown you this. So there is more of this fabric, and yeah, I'll put the link to it in the description box below. So make number one, I've got 3 to show you to get today. Really happy with it, nice and snuggly and warm. Let's go on to the next one. Okay, the second make, you can see I chose to make the 1940s dress, 1940s wrap dress rather than the tea dress, and this is my favourite of the 3 makes. Yeah, I just think it fits really nicely. Let me show you. I just love it, made up in this fabric, it's perfect for it. I made a size 8, so in some of our patterns I'm a size 10, some of them I'm an 8. Because of the looseness of the skirt, I'm an 8 in this, and I think it fits really nicely. I didn't need to make any adjustments to the size 8, I just made the standard one. And I made this a long version. You can see, let's go back a bit further. So yeah, a lovely work dress or a smart occasion dress. I haven't got any winter weddings, but I would wear this to a winter wedding with some glitzy jewellery, I think. Poppy's trying to get the rusks from Jasmine. No. However, guys, so I have to say that out of all the things I've made in the past year, I enjoyed making this the most because it's such a big dress. It's not something that I would be able to, sort of big dress, you know, big project. It's not something I'll be able to just rush through in one sitting. Sorry. There we go. So I broke it up and I did a little hour here and there every evening and really enjoyed that. I really enjoyed slow sewing, which for me is a concept, I just don't do that normally. I just whiz through projects when I've got a couple of hours. So this was brilliant, and I just did a little bit. I did sleeves one night, I did the neck one night, I did all my darts, yeah. However, I messed it up. I messed it up because I got to the whole, got everything made up apart from the skirt. So I decided to finish it at work yesterday when I had an hour and I had the skirts to put together. And I basically, yeah, I'll show you what I did. So basically I have got this on the wrong way round. So I've got the piece with the dart on top and the gathers are underneath. It's meant to be like this with the gather pleats there. However, I tried it on last night. I finished it last night, put my little popper and my skirt hook on last night. Sorry, just do this back up. And yeah, I tried it on and I was like, oh gosh. I didn't realise at first. I was like, oh no, how have I done this? Anyway, this is the thing that I do wrong. I basically spent a lovely amount of time making this dress slowly, little bit a day when I could concentrate on it, and then I decided to do the last bit at work when I can't fully concentrate on it because obviously I'm at work in the middle of the shop, so I'm like seeing other things that are going on, and I make a mistake. However, I don't actually think it's that bad. I don't think it's bad enough that I need to unpick it and change it because this pattern is so busy, it kind of hides the dart and it just makes it quite flat. Granted, there are a few gathers under there that obviously don't make it flat, but I think, what do you think? I don't think it matters. So I'm gonna wear it. I haven't worn it obviously for a day yet, but I'm gonna wear it and see if it bothers me or not. Because at the moment it's not bothering me, so, but yeah, lesson learned. Lisa, do not do something like this at work. I think if it was a simple project, fine, but when you're trying to put the waistband attach basically the bodice and the waistband and everything, there is it's quite kind of, it hurts your head a bit because it's right sides and wrong sides, and yeah, if you don't focus, you can get it wrong. So yeah, never mind. But despite all that, it is definitely my favourite make, and I love this fabric. I want to make so many things out of it, so yeah. I'm not sure if we've sold out of this, but if we have, I'm going to try and get some more back next month, so keep your eyes out. Jasmine, she's now trying to pull the plant. Ah! This is so hard, vlogging with you on the table, missus. Yeah, sneaky cheeky. Pulling my plant. She loves pulling plants, and also flowers, grabbing and like shredding them. The poor plant's been attacked already a few times. Yes, it has, by you, missus. Right, guys, okay, one more to go. I'll just go pop that on now. Okay, guys, so next up is my cowl neck dress, made out of this lovely, we didn't really work out what it was, did we? We're calling it like a boucle Roma Ponte. Yeah. I really like this, but this was the version that the cowl neck dress, I said I was going to do a hack out of it by putting a waist seam in. I think that was a waste of time. I don't think I gained anything in the fit by doing that. I could have simply just brought it in. So I think, again, I think I said if you've got a big bust, then maybe it would be good to do that because you can put some darts in to fit it. But for me, that wasn't necessary. So it was just, yeah, I could have just made the dress. But anyway, here it is in this fabric, which I love. It's super comfy. I wore it to work yesterday. Here's the seam. So, and I'll step back so you can see it. Nice length, knee length. I didn't do any changes actually to the pattern apart from making it fitted. So I also brought the shoulders in actually as well. So you don't need to, oops. I brought the shoulders in about 1.5 centimetres just to make it a little bit warmer actually. And I do quite like that, although it does make it slightly more challenging to get on, just because this doesn't have the most amount of give. And I made the sleeves, I'm saying I didn't do anything and then I did do something. I made the sleeves that bit narrower, because I did that, they're just a bit more awkward to get on, and because there's not enough give really in this fabric, that happened. But anyway. So I think it's not that this wasn't a success, it was just more, don't bother doing that waist seam, probably it's not worth it for you. But yeah, we try these things to see if they do work, and they didn't. But yeah, this is a great work dress, and I loved wearing it yesterday. Okay, so Jasmine's looking at me as though she's about to kick off. So I think I'm going to have to wrap it up there, guys. So like I said, we're going to be going up to Yorkshire in a couple of days, which will be nice, and trying to take a bit of time off, because even since I've gone back to work, even though we had Christmas, I didn't really ever take time off in that I didn't switch off from emails. I was on emails throughout the whole of the Christmas period. No, Jazzy, they'll go everywhere. Let me give you a little bit of that. Yeah? There you go. Oops. So yeah, I haven't really taken a break, so I think I need a break, just 5 days without looking at emails. That would be really nice. So let's hope the weather will be nice for us up there. Anyway guys, I'll be back next week with my fabric haul, and then the week after, I think it's the week after, it's the team vlog, which I know you guys love, and they've made some gorgeous things. I went in, they filmed it before our team meeting the other day, and I came in a bit later just so I wasn't going to disturb them whilst they were filming. And I walked into these beautiful glamorous girls in all these amazing outfits, so they've got some great things and real variety to show you, so look forward to seeing that one. Anyway, have a lovely weekend. See you soon. Bye.